Zero coupon bond. What is zero coupon bond? The bond do not pay interest. What? Don't receive any interest. Instead, it is issued at the discount rate at the face value and it is matured. The investor will receive the one lump sum amount. So, for 1,000 rupees worth, I want to receive 1,000 now. They will issue it at 998 or 995 or 950 they will issue for 1 year period. So after one you pay one 950 now. After 1 year you will get 1 year you will get 1,000. So that's kind of bond, a zero coupon bond. They won't pay interest monthly. They will pay at lump sum you will pay. So this is the zero coupon bond. This bond are issued by the bank, government, and private sector companies. Usually, everyone will issue this kind of bonds. And if it is good rate of return, want to is this bond are issued based on the present value. So you should see what is the present value rate of returns, and you should compare with it so you can buy and invest there. It's a good return actually. It's a good return.